Are you tired of spending hours editing videos and creating content for different social media platforms? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can streamline your entire process and save your time? In today's video, I'm going to show you how Castmagic can revolutionize the way you handle video transcription, content creation, and much more. Stay tuned to discover how these powerful tools can transform your workflow to the next level. And trust me, you won't want to miss the amazing feature I'm about to share you. For using this tool, first you have to purchase it. But wait, I have a surprise for you. Click my description box or comment box link. You will redirect to a lifetime deal page where you can buy it at 89% discount price. Not only that, I will give you free access to 80 plus tools that can take your business to the next level. So hurry, this deal will end soon. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard again and see how it's work. After finishing your login, you can see a dashboard like this. Here you can see all the features that Castmagic offer. But before using all the features, you have to import your file first. It could be audio or video format. For uploading video, click the import button. On the right side, you can see some options like manually uploading, importing URL, RSS feed, or etc. For some privacy issue, YouTube stopped their link transcription feature. That's why you need to upload video manually. I tried to import it with YouTube URL, but it didn't work. Okay, let's upload a file manually. It takes some time to upload a file depending on your file size. Once your file is uploaded, you can see it on your dashboard. You have to click on your file to transcribe it. After clicking on your file, you can see the video with complete transcription. Remember one thing, when you upload a video, you get the option to add your subject name. It's important because if you have 2 or 3 subjects in your video, then it's hard to identify the transcription part of each person. Okay, it's all for transcription. If you want to change anything, then you get an edit button to change. Now let's see some another feature. I think creating content could be a very helpful feature for you because here you get different type of content with different layouts according to different social media algorithms. Once you click create content feature, Castmagic AI takes some time to create content for all your social media channels based on your video and transcription. You get so many things like titles, keywords, speaker bio, introduction, timestamped overview, key metrics and bullet points, clip finder, release script, LinkedIn post, newsletter, Twitter trends, question, trends by Instagram, and more. Once you click one of them, the Castmagic AI starts generating this. Like I click here generate blog post, then it starts generating blog post for me. You get more options like custom prompt. If you want to change anything inside the content, then you can add your prompt here. Now let's see some another feature. Pipeline is another game-changing feature of Castmagic. This feature lets you first your workflow by adding your preset in your pipeline so that you can easily use it later. It's one kind of a add to favorite. If you have any presets that you want to reuse, then you can save it to your pipeline. This feature can save a lot of time. For doing this, first go to create a content feature again. Then choose any content you want to add. On the right side, you can see an option to add to pipeline. Simply click on it. Bas, as simple as that. Now let's see some another feature. Magic Chat is one kind of a AI assistant that help you to write anything you need. You have simply command the AI. Within a few seconds, you get the answer. Here you get extra option to explore community prompts. You can see so many custom prompts added by the community peoples. You can easily use any of them or add them to your pipeline. In the studio feature, you can create content using text. For doing this, go back to your content create option again. Select some portion of your text that you want to use for content creation. After that, you get some options like audiogram, text, and caption. Once you click text, you can see a text image content ready for you. Once you click the caption, you can see the caption of your video. And once you click the audiogram, you can see audio text content ready for you. You can change the dimension and the color of your content. Finally, you get an option to export file. Just click the export button and use it. So, this all are the useful feature of this video. If you think this video added value to you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you want to purchase Castmagic, then click the description or comment box link and enjoy an additional 10% discount that nobody will give you. Moreover, you get an additional bonus to access 80 plus tools. Don't miss this opportunity because this deal will close soon. So buy Castmagic now. See you on the next video. Till then, take care.